Today I'm very excited because I just received these LED string lights color bulbs. It has 6 color and by each color it has 4 bulbs. These you can use them indoors or outdoors, as you can see. It has the back part of the box. The colors we have red, orange, green, blue, purple and pink. These are regular light bulbs. As you can see, they are safely packed. These are regular light bulbs you just get on your lamp or your string lights. So I'm gonna test them. I will test them inside with a lamp that I have. I'll try, well, all 6 of the colors. So let's go. Okay, so I have my lamp right here. As you can see, it's a regular one. And I'll start with the purple ones. As you can see, all the light bulbs are color coded on the, well, back part. So get it right here. Okay, it's tight. So now I'll just plug in the lamp and let's turn it on. I'll turn it on. And as you can see, it's, even though my main room light is on, it looks really nice. So right now I'm gonna turn off the light. You can see how bright it is, how beautiful it looks. So let's do the blue one next. Looks pretty nice. I like the colors. Let's do now the pink one. Okay, as you can see, the pink one, I think that by obvious reasons is a bit more, well, not so bright, but it still looks pretty nice. I'm gonna do the orange one now. Okay, the red one looks quite bright. I like the color. It looks pretty nice. I like it. Looks quite good. Let's try this one now. I think this is the one that I like the more. I like this orange tone. It's bright, but it's not like so bright. I think this one will be my favorite. I'll just test the last one, that will be the green one. Okay, last but not least, I think it's still quite bright. Still, I do prefer the last one. I mean, it's between my top 3, I think, between the orange, the red, and well, this one. So I like it. I'm very satisfied with these bulbs. You can obviously use them on outdoors, or you can use them like on headlamps like this one, like in the room if you like, or to change some colors for a party. I think I really recommend it. The number of light bulbs is perfect. They are 24, so it was a great purchase.